Good morning, students of 8th standards. Yesterday we have seen practice at 3.2's table. Now we will see in that second question square root of fifth root of power of 121. In the same way, it is square root of fifth power of 1 by 2 means 121. Sorry, square root of means 1 by 2 and fifth power means 5 by 2. In this way you should write. Second one, cube of fourth root of 324. So cube of fourth root of 324 means in this way. Third, fifth root of square root of 264. So this will be the square root of fifth root of, it is not a power, actually it is fifth root of square of 264 told. So in this way. And next is cube root of 3. Now cube root of 3 means in this way, 3 raised to 1 you will get 3. So next is homework is there to you regarding this. You have to write squares from 1 to 50 and cubes from 1 to 20. If you are not getting, then just multiply and find the answers. Now we will take practice at 3.3. In that, first question is find the cube roots of following numbers. For this, one method is there, I will show. Find the factors. Here they have told first one cube root of 8000. So you can make in this way. As it is 1000, so 10 into 10 into 10 it will be, and 8 you can write as 2 into 2 into 2. Make 3 3's group and take it outside. So cube root of 8000 is 20. In the same way, second one, that is 729. You can find the factors 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So make 3 3's group, you will get 3 into 3 into, in this way. So you will get 9. Cube root of 729 is 9, or you can write in this form 9 into 9 into 9. In the place of 9 take outside. Third is 343. So 7 into 7 into 7, you can take it outside, you will get 7. Next is fourth, minus cube root of minus 5 and 2. So minus 8, minus 8, minus 8. So you will get minus 8 here. It is the square of 8, that is cube root of 5 and 2, that is minus 8. Then is minus 2744. So I rub this. Minus 2744. Now, if I don't know the table of this, then and if you don't know the cube root, then directly divide by 2. 2 1s are 3s are 7s are and 2s are. Again, you can or you can do in this way. 2744. 1s are 3s are 7s are 2s are, again 6 8 6, then 3 4 3 7 49, 7 7s are 7 1s are. So you can write in this form. So minus as it is 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7 into 7. Make 3 3's group. So minus 2 into 7 you get, that is minus 14. In this way you can find the answer. Next is 32768. 32768. Now 32768. Here I will find 32768. It is divisible by 4, so directly by 4. 4 8s are, 4 1s are, 4 9s are, and 4 2s are. Again by 4 we will see 4 2s are 8, 0, 4 4 is 16, 4 8 is 8. Again by 4, 5s are, 1s are, 2s are. then it is a cube of 8 directly. So you can write in this form 4 into 4 into 4, 8 into 8 into 8, make 3 3 0. So 4 into 8 you get 32. In this way you can find the cube roots. Next, tomorrow we see practice at 3.3. Today I have given homework squares from 1 to 50 and cubes from 1 to 20. So thank you very much. We will stop here.